near Elkoya, Iran, Israel. Oil price, you see more indication, more suspended 1 Ghana cedi levy. People are also talking about it. Say, I'm the bar crab a day. And they say, among folks who believe Mumu say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, can say Russia-Ukraine war is not the case. But now global hits no air bar and you are making adjustment. And no we are not saying. And Zoom Lion so contract no. Man for believe say Zoom Lion our capacity now bet me higher. Minimum say company be so high. Or me too strong like Zoom Lion more capacity no bet me higher. Dumanintina. If you are more buying A2 sana more no and say to say the MPPs one sem. Baminti kakra.
Yo, Mira, mamena say anope na menchia one watifo. Na minu anomo a me ko panelista. Many one share ahai. Mamema wo nyina ache. Minu ya Abdul Salam. Or a very fantastic guy.
Okay.
Yes, me who na che. Family na diagra. You ratu krubie e ukrum ha.
Right.
Yes, Abdul Salam me ma pia. Na menchia ye party mpenifo. Aye Yura Kinzuba.
Right.
Kumasi meyo obodwuma ma menchia no.
Right.
Na yankasa ya regional chairman Augustus Andrews na Nakwasi Isha Malasan Marvin ya oye party treasurer any party for mpenifo bia agibra ATM ya no pay.
Okay.
Ma menchia wo bia ene me yankasa me ra PV dwanto abo attend Daxon. Minua ma menfemfiri oil no so na memra Zoom Lion na fe maintenance MPP proper.
A whole new fee in Tiato.
But so onyon da no da. Minua they said the minua yi kan. Yenim say Ghana yenso ye tu oil ni bi.
Right.
Na abribia no ye project say the world market price econo. Yenso so ye de kwa say ni yenso benya ananesa na tie. Etievan say ewiase nyina ye tono $70 per barrel. Echese won so do de kwa say bi ne beto no.
Sure.
Enti se wo do de ko na ebedu ho ne ateso a echese wo projection a wo ye no. Unya say sika no nti o so te wo de so.
Yeah.
Enti atum anso betu de menye za na tie. Na in marketing ye wade bi a ye friend strategic window. Se yura omane bo ama be hente se Felix abe hente se because of Iran and Israel and Tokano ebe affecting I was here Jimmy it could affect us negatively or positively. Ebetimi affecting positively by way of say ye crude oil aye de kodwama so no ye benya price e wo mu de aba e de abe support the economy ananye sanete so wo project say wo barrel bia wo benya $70 per barrel now corner do etia e say there's a rainfall but the mamenka so wonya mfaso pajo so what you say anti positively it will affect Ghana
but oil a wutui o percentage e wo mu kra no o de ba kon homa enye yie.
Whatever the percentage is, increase odwama so a den a ubenya marginal increment kakra e dey be support budget, so we take it
because e ade na yenye full no a benefit no a ye koton a full ni nyina ye but this is the year yenya kura no enu 50%.
Minim say unim cheme so at no me pese me kire say minim say wunim asem a obusa cheme because enye ne yetu fan wo no e obi ne a contract no say ometu nipa no ne ba nipa na eba no ni mfidi ano ode ba so obey prospecting be mining we nya hwea ni video di si yi so ba nyina ye ne ka oba na onya bibi nso a wanya mfa so enti ano de minim say eye trade agreement a me feel say we ase nyina sa na koso so we need the requisite equipment a obetu dia obi ne ba betu ama no one wa terms enti in term of office ne so a it becomes your bona fide property a wan kasa and na obetu na we determine or profit enti me kire say de ekoso ho no se koba se oil e odwama so kosra Ghana be benefit. That is the positive effect I'm talking about.
In what way? Because
in what way? So who will be our kodwama so akoton
and the refined ones who are the bebano. Yeah, I say refinery your challenge. And so when you go for the refined ones and those things, I don't see a cost. Which
Metro say
they all the Ukunyano
Abayi ye. Or the Shishaya to a Quemua, Tema oil refinery, ever refine oil chroma,
and Yansha.
Metro or the Shisha nearby 6 months, 7 months, 6 months, after Yenya.
Current events, I dear course.
Metro say, Abayi ye. After when you're 6 months, in fact, 6 months no Kunyana proper, and 5.5 months.
Yeah.
And this will catch us say, obey Tema oil refinery ye. No, no, Timia refine crude Kruma. Was it will be a better than 8 years when Timia will be about 6 months. You can't compare 6 months in government to that of 8 years.
We are 8 years
comparing. No, I know.
Situation at hand right now.
Situation at hand, and they say NDC are buying a say Tema oil refinery. No, I was making sure so being ye. Nasa light crude no ekoto free abrochire de bano ye jai na yankase aye ne krom ha na me awo ye swate. That is it.
Any ebisa says Israel and Iran in Tokyo, about 20%, over even 20% of crude ne refinery oils and namsa ocean eponeso e banu nyina no e yade se e free sa enkrotwe na entokwa ninti no blockage bebem ne kobe de ze cry at say even America say gas and say because of this particular way nyina no nti ama gas no so cry rise kakra Ghana ye ka ho bi enso ekokra sa fam ya refining no normal ne edeba, and it's going to be an issue say be ma fam wo bu akosro ye ka kire Ghana for say omo ensure omo sapo mu nsu anase omo ma omo asene san say bibi sa betumi asi anase ye ma omo assurance say we are waiting for Tema oil refinery nti such a thing will not happen because
match o say match o say asem no America no emiso wa me agina ha che match o say unsu wo bi commodity no a wokoto no unsu wo bi a unsu di kodwaman so enti ukona ne boa ye den a unsu benya mfa so de aba. That is it.
It affect ye
me say a two-way affair.
Okay.
Ukona ukoton a unsu benya mfa so de abeso economy nimu. Enti sade no kra boy den now the ba na say prices ne be so a unsu anya mfa so a wo san de be mitigate ade no a aba no. That is it. Sa na mamu ne ye no. Ukwaji be free ha na de bia koshim. Ye nuano ma e wodwom ne betimi will be the best person to do this analysis. Ukwaji be free ha now the we are beshim. That is it. That is governance.
So we shouldn't worry.
BBNC.
Okay. So fuel prices ni na yen worry.
Messi BBNC NDC aban odwene Ghana for.
Okay.
Na sanka oba ya ye tesui. Sanka want so anko de begina de gina.
Okay. Right.
Etiminua.
Right.
Me ko manim no. Na me fancy Zoom Lion for issue no.
Right.
Minua e Japan. Me giri se minim ebia na omo current CEO no. Eye omo party ni nti na like as a person massage situation, we should call a spade a spade. And yet a small what spoon, a spade.
Spade in India.
And yet I say, we should call a spade a spade. Zoom Lion. Mwankasa munia manasi. Baby will be a radinshano. You see, much say moye the fourth estate of the realm ampa. Yeah, much less a money Ghana for be juma.
Right.
Mwankasa munia manasi entity a pa in Israel FM any multimedia dia manutino. Papa throw ni scope, ni telescope no di two Zoom Lion o juma. Na di okuba Ghana for ne say. Me ankasa Zoom Lion. Me were so many reservation about them. Look, what the enyoma bia tuja. Yeah, enyoma odi tuja ne say. One, Zoom Lion for say busumi bia so a di nipa 45,000 edin and ekoje payment and answer salary edi free aban ho 45,000 Ghanaians and omo present you omo din de koje sika free ho. According to investigation aya na kire say sa 45,000 a ode kono enye no kore 38,000 ajipon patroti me haye entinye sabotage enye se obi pese ohunehunu obi okrom ha. Bosume so now kwaji salary o presenting nipa about 45,000 Ghanaian names and ade kwaji sika. Meanwhile no o staff strength na one a e also ade kwaji ni salary no 38,000. Enti chese wa baban no krono of about almost you can say 1,000 Ghana cedis e wo honom. Minua you can say 1,000 workers ewo honom minua Zoom Lion adwuma ba ko a oye no krom ho a eno nti eni kwan se na ade no so ye wo se to no so ne se wokɔ aban ho wayiye no a woni na sign contract ne se wokɔje wo salaries ana se wo stipends de abre wo workers a aban ni tua wo 800 Ghana cedis se worker ba ku bia no Zoom Lion man 800 Ghana cedis Zoom Lion kɔje sika no no de ba wono a wampra wono a wano wanti gatem wansi nsuom no wono no fa almost 600 Ghana cedis no wa magana ni ba no 200 Ghana cedis asisi semsei achese sika otua de ma ne workers no enu minimum wage a Ghana mra no ashato wo se otua Ghana ni ba bi aka no enu sa enti adenti na ode Ghana fo twa be adenti na Ghana fo ye adwuma ma wo na usisi wo mo na wo se aban eto aso enti na any case mu MPP aban na mo antimi ehunu sa de we a NDC ba ye hunu minua ye ko Accra Metropolitan Assembly under NPP's regime omu raise issue bi say efin emre enkran
right
na Zoom Lion for no nya dwuma no Zoom Lion ko challenge so ya dwuma na pa ye ko hwehwem na je say Zoom Lion ni worker ba ko bia wo Accra ho a oprapra mountain so enso bosume so anu akwa akwaje usika na Ghana na abo no kro no anase wo na abo ho kro no afa die ntie ma ye terminate contract na anase ye terminate ne say yen kama Ghana fo nyina anti ase say Zoom Lion no contract a oni aban wo no abawie ye expire into contract expire. It is incumbent on me to either renew the contract or to terminate the contract. Ne term no be we no. Ni new proposal or they come aban no. Or say sa 800 Ghana cedis a or jidema sweeper bia no. Say obeje 1,800 for per sweeper. Or 1,300 no a onfa ni nyina nkoma sweeper no. Obekwa koma sweeper no 600 Ghana cedis. More than 50% and what free so
say logistics near that way.
Logistics benya.
Omontade omoshe mfidi omde adwuma bicycles in prayer no ne ade nyina.
Okay.
What the bit to
mathematically. Yen shade. So also kwaji 1,300 800 per sweeper. Na se obema sweeper 600 da. E kire se wo excess of about 700 Ghana cedis. Sa standing broom na omoto no ye to ne sai bosumi bia. I bet 20 Ghana cedis every month. Sikan crocodile market. Sikan ye to ne say enu 100 Ghana cedis. Sa raincoat na almost no. Ye to ne say sa reflective no. Ye to ne say 80 Ghana cedis. And to check here, I just say 200 Ghana cedis kra no. Enu sa expenditure no. Adenti na wonko awote about 700 Ghana cedis. E dia show botum. Enfa so bumbe no.
Right.
And the Ghana for man now day, obo omokrono. In any case, me ankasa at my personal level, my true challenge the ama senate for say.
FSC mami.
Omo hwehwe Zoom Lion for mu ne hwehwe say omo workers na omo ye adwuma no otua omo senator. Na so otua senate ma omo a minimum wage be so no ogina otua senate de ma omo. Minimum wage be no ogina so a odi tua senate de ma ne workers. On tua senate. Ghana for aye adwuma for very long time mediama senate ni nyina senate ntua omo senate ontua income tax en fema omo yes Zoom Lion ontua senate en fema omo
but who employs those workers
Zoom Lion
because we know say they under the youth employment agency and of course those workers Zoom Lion just say omo ye workers of omo ye workers belonging to the YE omo de tua omo ka omo de tria omo kan omo sika no de omo ko negotiate ma won say bia omo betum because of the job conditions na duty enkomo na ekona it means the workers no itself is aligned to the YE then the Zoom Lion and na air coordinate sa workers no so mbe ye adwuma that is the principle of operation
part of YE and was sublet the ama Zoom Lion and automatically the workers become your workers.
So who pays them?
Zoom Lion. Ono ne kwaji sika no de abetu omoka. Say why ye ne tu omoka de a ene nka sika no 800 Ghana cedis no. Ni nyina nka why ye ne nka nkwaji no. Zoom Lion. Una akwaji akatua ne de ba no determine the order ma every worker. That is the modus of operandi.
Why would Zoom Lion write in the proposal and say aban and to why you know aban hwe no monto adwumafo na katwam if he has that capacity.
Say or say aban to na katwam or propose 1,300 no ogia or the 600 Ghana cedis na ema no
aban nim so what they say na ekoma workers no
me say or the 600 Ghana cedis na ema worker no and the office say Zoom Lion determine what goes to who and ka or the scan be Zoom Lion and sana Zoom Lion at a cut more than 0.5% and sana or the worker no and the bestre say NDC aban buy ubusa say who is next the woman say or say every MMDC bia or sanitation issues is in coterminous with your tenure of office.
Right.
Say a brand beso na say or sanitation issue and some one man penny so will be can. Enti man penny say OBM district bia ye can say decentralized no. District bia enti minu as office say Ofori Chrome district na wo. Ma me for an example.
Right.
Na so office say who sanitation organization obetimi akwaje part of the contract na wahwe the premises of Nhyira FM edikosi anwaga junction enti ade eche ne ye mepra ha eye wo ne ebuso ye nkobusa Zoom Lion so that is the order enti midima no sinima ba MPP for issue
a minute on it now time now a minute
share minua MPP for yesenka en confirm you no kwa nka krokrokoko on kan bi
think is wada
Antoma so esuan free baby a eho emre enu nti na sensem we nyina ekoso no se omu propose say omu beko early congress anase conference na omu to omu ba ntemu a omu ni kan kohwe omu constitution omu ni kan kono omu kohwe omu constitution the omu constitution ne cover some of these activities na ho enti afa mu nkowie ebewie no na obi duo mu gina court yen NDC for yes ye per responsible opposition and not irresponsible opposition ye opposition a very responsible obetimi ama ye John Dramani Mahama atena ne naso atena ne to so abu amamu papa de ama ye na de mu ye de se ye no ma tro kankra mu ntimi nka because mu fie no mu ntimi ntoto ne o ma yie
right
mu ntimi ntoto ne o ma yie na wonim me kwahwe o mu constitution mu hu se by 27th December na omo branches omo kra mo de mo kan say omo polling station executives ni nyina terms abawie omo term of office
right.
By 27th December of this year na omo polling station executive bia term abawie
right
enti ebuso omo say if we say 27th December no edikosi 31st January no omo betimi aye polling station organization awie ansa no ma be constituency
eno de omo question be ansa ho
se ana me busa no
right.
Se bedu ho na mu nwie di a ene omumu bie no ha mu betime de mo nsa ka ne term of office
right.
Because according to your constitution se nipa ne term of office in so ya you cannot terminate his tenure of office medi manu si kra memmemu bie mo no a memmemu bie mo ansa na oba me ye brefo fro no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nansen okoka na brochire se ono de enko benya nanka omo party no akọ early congress anase early conference nanko makọ yi omo flag bearer asem okokan no eno na omo party ne di ye adwuma enti meba okokan se wono Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia osusu se senka party ni koyi omo candidate 10 with immediate effect akọ no pe
okay
okan no wa medu Ghana kra na JFK no mo hihye mra se omo beto omo aba nentem enti kire se other candidate no se motena ho Emma JFK ene Benard Twibu asiakon
right
ene ne nkofo e de material bi ahye mo kon a maka cho se entuma hoyi esuan de agon
medase amoaben Abdul ma minti weti o magro na